Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove Show More options from Windows 11. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to go to your search bar and search for CMD. Now here you can see command prompt. Click the right button of your mouse. Click on Run as Administrator. Now here you have to write this link. Now you have to click on Enter. After pressing Enter, you have to restart your PC to remove this. That's it. So now here you can see the link. So this is how you can remove Show More options from the Windows 11. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.